What's up, Riderz Nation? I'm out at Full Throttle Cycles in Washington Township, New Jersey for their Full Throttle Bike Night. Let's go see what kind of fun we can have. The Riderz Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting.
Welcome to my gate, mortal. I'm the dealer who always knows when to hold 'em and when to fold 'em.
Welcome to Full Throttle for the love of motorcycles. Let me tell you a little bit about our shop. So we are a year and a half open. This is the retail store. Full Throttle Automotive Cycle Services has been open since 2019. My shop consists of all your accessories for motorcycle needs. We have plenty of apparel. So we have our ladies apparel, anywhere from tank tops to sheer tops, to t-shirts, to hoodies, to leggings. We have a huge assortment of hoodies for both ladies and men's. We have, again, all your motorcycle accessories. We have stickers for your helmets. We have locally made candles. Majority of our vendors are local. We like to support local businesses. We have a ton of helmets for your assortment, and anything that you are looking for, we can always special order. We cater to the women, so we like the rhinestone and the bling bling. Okay, so again, we try to offer an assortment to the women, so it's not strictly men-based. T-shirts. Our biggest thing is our Toys for Throttle. If you haven't heard about Toys for Throttle, it is the most important thing that we do. Everything is donated to Toys for Tots. Last year we raised $13,000. That equated to 2,200 toys and 20 bicycles. This year we're hoping we'd love to double that. These are all, we have 19 sponsors this year, so that's huge. Last year we had 5 sponsors. This year we have 19 sponsors. Our largest sponsors are on the front of the shirt. All these sponsors donated over $1,000. Biker Princess, who will be here tonight, is one of our biggest sponsors. She's donated $2,000 from selling a $1 lemonade. So huge. She's 7 years old. Okay, so she'll be here tonight at Bike Night. And then the remaining sponsors. Again, all 5 sponsors from last year are sponsoring again this year. So that really means a lot to us. Okay. Not only are they sponsoring, they're all offering gifts as well. So our charity dinner is November 16th at the Washington Borough Firehouse. Tipton's Tavern is donating all the food. We have Sunny's Bake Shop, who is donating the sheet cake to support us with the desserts. Safe is our biggest sponsor 2 years in a row. So Safe Chimney Services out of East Stroudsburg. Not only are they our sponsor, but this year they have donated a $2,000 Napoleon grill that will be at the charity dinner to be raffled off, on top of many other raffles that Amy and Mike have gotten for us to raffle. So November 16th, put it on your date. Washington Fire Hall. T-shirts are $20. All proceeds go to Toys for Throttle. We have patches coming in next week. They're $5. All proceeds go to Toys for Throttle. Tickets for the dinner, $25 a person. All proceeds go to Toys for Throttle. All of that can be purchased here. The tickets can also be purchased online, which is on our Facebook. So lots of exciting with this. November 16th again, and then November, the following Saturday, I believe it's the 22nd, we are taking whoever wants to come open to public to shop. Again, last year we purchased 2,200 toys and 20 bicycles. So that'll be the following weekend. The following weekend after that, November 30th, is when we go to Operation Toy Train at the Washington train tracks, and we drop all the toys off to the train. So November 23rd, open to the public. We meet here. We go shopping for all the toys. Usually we meet at 10 a.m. Besides Toys for Throttle, again, tons of accessories. You name it, we've got it. Patches. We've got patches galore. We've got, again, a ton of apparel. You name it, we can get it for you. What's really exciting is all our apparel I make myself. All the logos are done by myself, and every single shirt in this store, including our sponsor shirts, I design, I press, so we try to do everything here ourselves. So I've got cleaning supplies, all your cleaning supplies. We have a ton of cleaning supplies. Again, anything that you're looking for, I can pretty much order. I'm a wholesale dealer for about a dozen different locations, just because I try to order whatever the customer is looking for. And if I'm not, then I'll find it. What else can I show you? We've got leather vests. If you're looking for leathers to go with the patches, we carry leather vests. I am a fan of Milwaukee, so majority of my vests are Milwaukee. It's a better quality. Even the shirts I get that I press, they're Milwaukee, better quality. We want to make sure that we're selling quality and that your shirt lasts.
Like this video, please do us a favor, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave us some comments. It really helps the channel out. We have very big plans for the channel. We want to do lots of things, but it all starts with you by hitting that subscribe button, giving us some likes, and giving us some comments. Thank you all, and let's get back to the video.
Bike nights. So once a month we do bike nights. We try to bring the community in. We use local vendors. So El Taco Loco lives up in Fort Murray. They are our taco vendor. Sonny's Bake Shop up in Phillipsburg, Stewartsville, I'm sorry. They come. We use PJ Novelties out of Pennsylvania. They do all our patches, and then we mix it up. We have a couple different vendors that we try to, so that we can keep it fresh. But we do that from April into October every single month. They're posted as of January for everybody to see. And in the winter, we keep it going. So November is all Toys for Throttle. December is our gingerbread build-off. We literally had from one bay to the other bay lined up with tables. The shop was filled with a gingerbread build-off, and then you get a trophy for the winner. January is your chili cook-off. Again, we had very successful chili cook-off last year. February is candle making class. Huge success last year with that. Again, local vendor that does that for us. March is our first time we're trying our macaroni and cheese cook-off. We've had a ton of requests for that, so we'll be rolling that out. And then April, we're gonna do an egg decorating contest, just to keep the excitement going through the winter. We don't want you sitting at home. All our events in the winter are kid-friendly. Our bike nights are kid-friendly. We have several kids that we've deemed here. So you all know Biker Princess Lemonade. We have a biker girl, and then we have a biker dude. Majority of them come to every single bike night, so you can see them here. But we want to keep it friendly family here as well. We have a bike that we're raffling off. It is not done, it's in the works. My husband is doing all the work. Let's go see the bike. Okay, yours. So my husband handpicked the paint. It's a custom paint, Lamborghini orange. C&L Auto Body donated all the work. They're right here in 31 in Washington, but they donated all the work on the paint job for us. So they're one of our sponsors as well. But it's beautiful. So my husband is the mastermind here. He loves motorcycles. In 2019, he decided to bring his dreams to reality and open his own business. This is our second location. So we originally opened a small business at a garage about a mile down the street. He quickly outgrew that, and then we moved here. Now keep in mind, the intention of his business was full throttle, cycles, auto. The cycles took over completely. So he's really built a name for himself. He does all the work. Okay, so all the bikes you see in here, he does every single bike himself. He's been working on motorcycles 30 years.